Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explore further the features found on Microsoft Teams. So I'm particularly going to focus on the feature Teams. So under general you find all these features, like you can invite people and join or create a team, and you can also manage teams. You click there, you'll be able to see the description of your, like under which your company that you're working for. For me that's the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, and membership and the people. So far it's only me that is in this team. And then we have here, if you would like to start a conversation, you can type in hello Diana, and if you want, for example, to format it, you can highlight it and then give it the color of your choice, maybe orange. You can also italic, underline it if you so wish. And if you like to attach something, you can just click there, and then you can attach it from either your browse Teams or channels or from OneDrive, or upload it from your computer. And you can also use the emoji, and the GIF of your choice, rainbow. And if you would like to meet up now, you can actually click there, and then you would have options of switching on or off your video. So there we have our camera. We can turn it on and off, and if we say meet now, these features we already explored that. You can mute or unmute yourself. You can share something from your screen. Here we have more options. Let's see what's there. You can add the meeting, enter full screen, show meeting notes, show device settings, and so on. Turn off video. Then here, if you would like to raise your hand during the meeting and show the conversation, there wasn't any conversation that took place, so that's why this is empty. And then you see the number of participants. And if you want to hang up the call, you can just click there. And we have praise. If you would like to praise someone using a badge, you can click there and choose a badge of your choice. So let's see this more. Okay, right. If you want to find another app, you can also find it here. So, and we go under files. Let's see what's under files. here you find files that were already uploaded by members. So far this one, Padlet, which I have uploaded, and if you would like to upload more, you can just click there and upload. And if you want also to download which is under the files, you can also click that button. Now let's look at new. Now here, if you would like to create a Word document or an Excel or PowerPoint, OneNote, or form of Excel, you can just click there. Let's try PowerPoint. Let's give it the name May. And create. So you can give the title of your PowerPoint. Let's say COVID-19. Right. Subtitle. What is if you click under designer, you can get a nice portrait kind of for your PowerPoint. So you select the one that you think is suitable for your title. Yes. And then you can just go back to home, and then if you want to add another slide, okay, just click there, and then so yeah, that's basically you can play around with this and just select what is suitable for you. Yes, so here you can see the PowerPoint that I just created now. So there are so many things that you can do with Microsoft Teams. Just explore features and see how you like it. Thanks again, and yeah, just as I said, just explore this undercore. We can do speed dial and so on and so forth. And with the files, you just basically what is already uploaded. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned.